The B1422 trouble code in a Toyota vehicle means that the ECU has registered an abnormal difference in the speed of rotation of the crankshaft and the air conditioner compressor shaft. This is impossible under normal conditions since the AC compressor is driven by the drive bell that is driven by the crankshaft, so their speed of rotation will always be synchronized with a certain ratio. So when the ECU registers this, it will lock the AC clutch and you won't have cold air in your car. The B1422 code means that the AC clutch has already been locked. Unfortunately, one of the most common reasons for this is an AC compressor fault, especially after running for a long time without being serviced and with a low level of oil and refrigerant. This leads to compressor wear and eventually it will die. But before you pay for an expensive AC compressor, there are at least two things that you should check. First of all, make sure the drive belt looks good and doesn't sleep when the engine is on. This is one of the most obvious reasons for the different speed of rotation of the crankshaft and AC compressor shaft. If the belt gets stuck, the crankshaft will keep on rotating, but the AC compressor will stand still. If the drive belt hasn't been replaced for more than 100,000 miles and you sometimes hear unpleasant squealing noises after a cold start, just replace it before you do anything else. The second thing to check is the AC clutch fuse in the fuse box that's usually located near your battery. If the fuse is blown, the AC clutch will not engage, and the ECU may see this as a fault inside the compressor and throw this B1422 code. Just check what fuse it is in your owner's manual or in one of the online fuse diagrams that you can find in a search. And finally, it would be nice to inspect the electrical connections on the AC compressor. If you see any broken wires or corrosion, this may be the culprit of your problem. Cleaning the connector or repairing the wires is the first thing to do in such cases before you invest in any parts.